Guys, it's Alex from OttoEx, and right here is a pretty cool van. So this is a 1992 Toyota Hiace. It's the super custom trim level, and it's a four-wheel drive version. This one is optioned with the 2.8 liter Toyota diesel engine. That's the 3L engine, and it's that particular engine is known to kind of be unbeatable, unbreakable. It's used widely throughout Japan and the rest of the world as a commercial vehicle engine, and they go to about a few 100,000 kilometers, 500 plus. So this version has two sunroofs, which I'll show you once we take a look inside. It comes in maroon, double color, and I'm actually really fond of this van. It's currently my daily driver, but it will be listed for sale soon out here in Portland. So just to give you a quick look of the interior, these beautiful blood red seats with matching seat covers. You can see the fabric underneath is pretty much untouched, so you can take or leave the seat covers. All around, again, all original floor mats, front and back, which is always nice. So this was an auto, and it comes with a upgraded stereo package, which isn't that much, but I think this is only the second trim of stereo. I think there was actually a third one, which CD player and more speakers. Let's open up the rear here and take a look in. So this is an 8-seater. You got 3 here, 3 in the back, and then 2 in the front. So this one came optioned with all these little cool options, such as the TV, which comes with a matching remote. Actually, I think it's in the other seat back pocket. Although I can't seem to get it to work. It's a Panasonic car TV. It may just be the remote. Either way, it's a pretty old school TV. I think it adds some character, and it's always nice to see things like these. As well as the TV, we've got a it's like something to heat your tea or your coffee. It looks like it's maybe been used like once or maybe never. So this screws off and it goes in here where it heats it up. There's controls for it in the front, center console, ashtray. And right here is the hot and cool box. Let's show you that. So you can see in here you actually have some ice trays. Right here. Make your ice. It has 3 modes: cool, ice, and hot. So, you can keep your food warm or your drinks cold or hot. Up here is actually the controls for all that. So, the pot on, and there's your mirror and your ECT, which you would turn on if you're hauling something extra like a trailer. Basically just changes your shifts to a higher rev before it shifts, so you get a little bit more power. So the door cards are in great shape. 1 and 2. The dash is crack-free and stain-free. Everything is very well taken care of. This particular one has 133,000 kilometers, 700, which is about 82,000 miles and change. That is original. The double sunroofs. This one is a manual, which you just would pull down, and yeah, it just pops right up. And then the larger one, which is humongous, is it's an automatic, which works. I just have to turn the car on for that to operate. So the seats, they all swivel. So this row switches around, they can face the rear. So you can have kind of conference style seating, which is cool. And then this jump seat can optionally come out if you would like to remove it. So, show you here, matching floor mats in the back. And there is a set of tire chains, which came with the vehicle, and they will be included. Handy for your winter driving needs. This guy is optioned with dual front and rear AC and heating as well. Controls for the heating are right in there. So that's pretty handy for an all-season adventure vehicle. So why don't we go ahead and start her up. Let you listen to the engine here. The engine lives under the passenger seat. That flips up. You can access it. Let me hop in here. So why don't we take it for a spin? They made these HiAces in a few different trim levels, and the Super Custom is the second highest trim level. The highest one was the Super Custom Limited, and the only real difference is that just had more things that could go wrong with it. It had a little intercom system. The rear seats, these two would be captain's chairs instead of a bench, so it would be actually a 7-seater instead of an 8-seater. And the seating was a bit more plush. I believe it even had a rear cooler in between those two captain's chairs. These vans aren't really fast by any means, but they get you to where you need to go, A to B, and they've got a little bit of character. That's why I like them. It feels comfortable, it's relaxing. It doesn't urge you to go faster, it just kind of says Toyota vans came in all different shapes and sizes. This is the Hiace. This is the biggest variety of Toyota van. The smallest one being the Light Ace. And then the mid-range would be the Town Ace or the Master Ace Surf. And they all are very functional. Each one is a little bit differently sized and dimensioned, but they're all pretty fun things to cruise around town in, or to go on a road trip, camp out in. Personally camped in the Light Ace before, and that was a good time. Drove it up the whole coast. Anyhow, we're nearing the end of our journey here, and let me just park this guy. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching, for checking out the video, for supporting my channel. And this van will be listed for sale soon on our website, so check that out. And thanks again, guys.